बुलाया गया है एक दिन का ये सत्र कहीं ना कहीं रख।
This House commends the people of Jammu and Kashmir for their extraordinary display of unity, compassion and resilience in the aftermath of attack, the peaceful demonstration across town and villages, and the spontaneous outpouring of moral and material support towards tourists, reaffirm the people's steadfast commitment to peace, communal harmony and the rule of law. This House endorses the diplomatic measures announced by the Union government on 23rd April 2025 after the meeting of Cabinet Committee on Security. This House is mindful of the sinister design behind the selective targeting of the victims of this attack. It appeals to all sections of the society and in particular the media to not fall victim to this sinister plot by irresponsibly inflaming passions. The needs to remain united in the face of this attempted division cannot be overemphasized. This House earnestly appeals to the governments of all states and union territories of India to ensure the safety, dignity and well-being of Kashmiri students and citizens residing or traveling outside Jammu and Kashmir, and to take all necessary measures to prevent any incidents of harassment, discrimination or intimidation. This House calls upon all political parties, religious and community leaders, youth organizations, civil society groups and media houses across the nation to maintain calm, reject violence and divisive rhetoric and work collectively to uphold peace, unity and constitutional values. Further resolve that this Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir reaffirms its unwavering commitment to foster an environment of peace, development and inclusive prosperity for all its citizens, and to resolutely defeat the nefarious design of those who seek to disturb communal harmony and progress of the nation and Jammu and Kashmir.
पहलगाम में हुई हलाकतों पर जम्मू कश्मीर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में करारदाद पेश की गई कि ये ऐवान 22 अप्रैल 2025 को पहलगाम में बेगुनाह शहरियों के पर किए गए वहशियाना और गैर इंसानी हमले पर अपने गहरे सदमे और गम का इजहार करता है और तहरीक करता है कि ये ऐवान वाज़ह तौर पर।
तो आप देख रहे थे जम्मू कश्मीर विधानसभा सत्र की